Hello everyone, this side is Sharad, and in today's video we will see how to repackage a Vagrant box. So in today's session we will take an example from Ubuntu Focal 64, and we will first download this Vagrant box into our local system. So let's go to the Vagrant Focal 64 image. For downloading, we'll go directly to the website called app.vagrantup.com, and Focal 64 is currently the latest LTS version in Ubuntu. So let's create a file, a Vagrant file. Either you can do by selecting all this content and create a file with the same name called Vagrant file, or you can directly run this command. So we'll follow this command first. So let's open our PowerShell, open run, then write down PowerShell there. Okay, sorry, there's a mistype. Open PowerShell, and I will go to the location where I want to create this box. You see, I will create a new directory here like custom box. The same command you can run in any Linux or a Unix based system. So here you can see this is an empty directory, and the same I will show you through graphical mode. Here it is POC, Vagrant boxes, and custom box. So here in this directory we are going to create our new custom box. So let's initialize here. We'll create another directory like Ubuntu Focal 64, because the same name will be used by the virtual machine. So here inside you can see that I created directory where I will do this work. And because I was practicing, so this box is already downloaded. So if you do this first time, you will see like this. Okay, there's another thing. Let me share one more way to do this. For example, you are seeing this, the n numbers of lines having the, this commented lines. So let me remove this file first. I just want to show you. Either you can directly go this way, or you can minimize this just for learning purpose. If you have seen our other videos on the same, you will know that this command is just for creating a Vagrant file. If I write down like this, ---- minimal, it will create a Vagrant file with the very minimal option. You can see here, this is a file. Yeah, so all those either you can do by this way or earlier one. Only thing is you will see a lot of options which are already disabled by using hash. So I will go with this minimal. There's no any differences, only the number of lines. So I generally like to work in minimal configurations. So now next is Vagrant Up. So this This will create a new virtual box for me, and the naming convention will start from the Ubuntu Focal 64. So let's wait for a while. This as I said, I was just practicing, so this base box is already in my local system, so it will not go for a downloading again. So it will directly pick the Focal 64 base box from my system. So what we're doing, we are creating a new VM from the base box, and after doing some installations in the new virtual machine, we are going to repackage the big base box, and from the new base box, the custom base box, we will able to launch n numbers of virtual machines. Okay, let's see in between if this virtual machine is created. Yeah, so you can see that Ubuntu Focal 64 and the rest is the random numbers with the default option, with the default name here. It has created our new virtual machine from the base box. Okay, so when I was working, I also observed that when I was launching a new virtual machine from this base box, it has given me this error. Okay, so basically this error is from the VirtualBox addition. So we have to install this VBoxAdditions to get some more features, but doesn't mean that this VM doesn't work. This VM works actually when you do Vagrant SSH from your terminal. As I said, the same command can be used from your Linux machine. So I am right now in PowerShell. So you can see that I'm able to log into the Linux system, Ubuntu machine, and I can able to run all commands. So here you can see this is a command, and so as I said, I found that there is a virtual box addition we have to install in this system, in this virtual machine. So first of all, what are the prereqs we have to check? We have to first find out what is your VirtualBox version. So you can click on the help tab, then click on about and find out what is your version. The version here is 6.1.26. So we will search for the VirtualBox addition here. So 6126. So let's Google it. Here VirtualBox addition ISO. We need a ISO file. So when you click here, you will found that you will get this link, VirtualBox. So click here, download.virtualbox.org, and try to find the what is the version you have, the folder, the link 6126. Click here, and then you will see the VirtualBox guest addition. Yeah, my bad. It is actually a VirtualBox guest addition. So download this, and but we have to download inside in the virtual machine. So we are here already, so for convenience I have already written those all commands to install the VirtualBox guest addition. So what I will do, I will first install the headers, Linux headers. So I will run this command, sudo apt-get install Linux headers. So before going to this, let me update the repo first. So apt-get update command, it will update the repos. Alright, there are some failures, but we can ignore this. Now install the Linux headers. Press yes for continue. If you install the Linux headers, basically you also have to restart the virtual machine. So we'll do the restart in a while and do all this settings first. Okay, so let me take an exit from here, and through command line only I will do the reload, means restarting the virtual machine. So when I run vagrant reload command, the machine should be restarted. So this virtual machine will be restarted. You can see it is now power off. So because it is reload command, now it is changed to running. So it is booting up now. The preview section you can see here at this site. You will see it is now booting. So let's wait, because the vagrant runs the machines in a headless state. Headless state is like in the background. So we can see. So I'm not double clicking on this virtual machine section, because if I do, so the new window will open and showing it. So right now I'm not opening it, but if you wish to, you can double click and see that also. So through preview I can assume that yes, it is booted up. So now I will do the login again. Vagrant SSH. So actually it is a shortcut command to do the SSH in the Vagrant box. Now the first thing what I will do, I will install this ISO file. So you can see this is the same file link, because I'm using 6.1.26 VirtualBox version. The same I am same VirtualBox this VirtualBox guest edition I am installing. So let me see if okay, it is quite quick. Alright, so now we have an ISO file here. I'm creating a new directory called media. Media is not present here. Okay, media is present, sorry. So create a new directory, Virtualbox guest edition, and to mount the ISO file, run the command mount-o loop ro and virtualboxadditions.iso and the path where in which folder you want to mount it. So when you mount, you can see that this is mounting location. So this is mounted here in the loop, right? So in this folder it is mounted. Now go to this directory and okay, I will run the list here from outside so that you can see that yeah, this is the mounted sections. So it will list all the files and directories, the content basically inside. So you can directly run without changing directly to this location. You can also directly run from outside. So I already written this command, run this command there, and you can see this is the file which will hit from on this command. And if you want, you can say no x11 as well, hyphen no x11 for terminal. So that is fine, it will work without this as well. So it is asking for yes or no for continue. Okay, so I run this command and let's wait. Okay, so now all things are done. I will first unmount this. Okay, so I will unmount first. Let me clear the screen. Sudo umount media VirtualBox addition. Now it is unmounted. You can see this. Now it is no more there. I will remove this ISO because we are going to create a new package, and we can, it is removed, and we can also remove this directory. Sorry, so I should have to give sudo. Now this is removed. Alright, so this machine have a VirtualBox guest addition now. This is the one that we have installed this one package, and let's install something. And let me install the Nginx. Let's see. So we create a box from it, a custom box, and we expect that it will have the Nginx package and the VBox guest addition. Alright, so because we are creating a new package, so what we will do, we'll clear the history here, history -c. Now come out, Control D I press to log out. Now you can see we have nothing here. So from here you can do the packaging vagrant package output, and you give the name of a box. So let's say Ubuntu focal 64 Linux. So let me, yeah, so it looks fine. So I have given the name called Ubuntu Linux focal 64. So this will be the name of a box, and give the extension .box. So we have written now vagrant package. So this name, this box will be created. Now hit enter. So it will take for a while. So what is it doing now? Attempting graceful shutdown of VM. So it will take care of everything. Either you can shut down by yourself, shut down the virtual machine by yourself, or this machine, this command will take care. Vagrant package. Now let's see. Yeah, this is powered off. Okay, now the package is created. You can see this the output, and it has created here only in the same folder. You can see that, yeah, this is the name. So you can move this or this box and this .box file to, or you can say it is a vagrant box. You can move to any other location. So let's do, we'll try to move this file to some other location. Like let's see, I have created some of the boxes already. Only one box I have created, like focal 64. This I will paste it here. So now it is moved from here to this side. Yeah, so now how to add this box into your vagrant system. So let's go to same location. Okay, now we have a two box. So let me remove the first one, so it should not confuse you guys. So now I have only one box, vagrant box, which is created here. Sorry, sometimes I'm very much used to with the Linux command, so that's type happen. So here you have Ubuntu Linux focal 64.box, which we have created. Now how you will add this box? So before going to this, I will show you one more thing. That is something a basic. You should understand how this works. So go to your home directory, means the user's home directory. There you will find the .vagrant.d. Similarly, in your Linux or Unix system also, you should go to your home directory by pressing cd tilde or cd dollar in capital home, and in the same user's home directory you will also see the vagrant.d. In Linux and Unix also it also create the same file structure. So here you can see the boxes folder. Click on there and you will see right now we have 3 boxes, namely called CentOS / vagrant /8, and these are the main base boxes which we have. If we click over here you will see the further information. So these are some more files are there. I will go back to the boxes and let's see from the command line. Right now I'm at the location in the folder where this box exists. So now I will add this into the Vagrant system. So now you can see right now the 3 folders are here. So all 3 are already the boxes. Now we run the command called Vagrant Box add, give some name. So I will give the same name, Ubuntu Focal. You can give any name, and the box location. So now I will hit enter. So you can see Vagrant Box add, the name of a box and the box file or a package. I hit enter. Now let's wait. Now it had what it is showing: unpacking necessary files, successfully added box. Now let's go back to the folder. Now you can see there is a new box here, Ubuntu Linux Focal 64. Let's go inside here. What do we have? Yeah, we have all this information, means all these files. Now how can we use this box, the new customized box? How can we use this? So let's go to the, let's create a new directory from where we will launch this new virtual machine, Ubuntu virtual machine, by using our custom Vagrant box. So I will go to my POC directory again and Vagrant boxes again, and yeah, so here in this location I will create a new box, name, virtual machine name like nginx_vm. I will go here. So here I want to initialize the file. So what I will write vagrant init and the name of our Vagrant box. The name of Vagrant box is, you can see it is a Ubuntu Linux 64. So I will take a shortcut from here and copy it. This is actually the box name. Now hit enter. So before this I will write another minimal. I want a very minimal configuration. Alright, so it has found it inside in our local system. So you can see that this is a new Vagrant file is created, and here Ubuntu Linux Focal 64 is a box name given. So let's launch this box. So let's launch the virtual machine from this box. Okay, so Vagrant up, run the command. So remember we have given the name called nginx_vm. So new virtual machine with the same name will be created. Okay, now our new virtual machine called nginx_vm with some random name should be created. Let's go to the virtual box. Yes, the name is nginx_vm_default. This box is created. Let's go to the Vagrant VM. Vagrant SSH. Let me clear this. I will log in into this machine now by using Vagrant SSH. Now I logged in. So now let's see if we have this package already installed, which we did in the last time. So this way we can see, yeah, Nginx is there, and let's see, is the service up and running. Yes, this is up and running. So we have seen that this Nginx is installed. Because this VirtualBox is running in the network mode in the net, so we can't see from our laptop. To see the profile, to see this Nginx page, let's do some port forwarding. Or either you can create another network with the host network. I will give some other port like 8080, and so I'm forwarding this port, and let's see if it works. Okay, 127.0.0.1, and I given the port number called, yes. So that is from our same machine, but better you should create a network, enable this network, and make it as a, and that can also is doable from the Vagrant. So if you have seen our previous videos, if you in those configuration we have shown the examples how to create an additional adapter by using the Vagrant. Okay, so that's all for in today's session. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Be happy. Keep learning and keep teaching others. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.